Welcome to Libra Computers, where learning is fun. Today, let's learn about PowerPoint. What is PowerPoint? PowerPoint is a presentation package containing a series of slides. PPT is the abbreviation used for PowerPoint. .pptx is the extensions for the files you create using PowerPoint. The topics to be covered in this lesson are: how to enter text in a slide, how to use bullets and change the bullet style, how to apply formatting and gradient effect to the text, how to insert a table and apply effects and styles to the tables. Now, let's get started. Open a blank document in PowerPoint. Click inside the placeholder to enter the title of your presentation. Similarly, click and then enter the subtitle. To add a new slide, go to Home tab. Click on New Slide and select the preferred layout. Or, you can also go to Insert tab and click on New Slide. Then select the layout. Once again, click to add the title or content of the slide. You can go to Font Settings under Home tab and select an underline style and color for the title. Then enter the contents of the slide in the next placeholder. Bullets will automatically appear as you click on Enter. To change the bullet style, select the text and go to the Bullets option under the Home tab. You can select one from the displayed bullets or go to Bullets and Numbering. Select the preferred bullets and apply a color if you desire. To duplicate a slide, right-click on the slide and click on Duplicate Slide. After that, add a new slide. You can apply a gradient effect to a text as follows. Select the text. Go to Text Fill option under Format. Click on Gradient and More Gradients. Select Gradient Fill and remove all the additional gradient stops. Select the gradient stop and apply color. You can change the direction of the gradient. Exit the panel after done. To insert a table, you can click on the table icon on the slide. Then specify the number of rows and columns. Or, under Insert tab, select Tables option, and then select the rows and columns as displayed. Click to enter text in the cells. You can press Tab key, or use the arrow keys to move to the next cell. In order to merge cells, select the cells. Go to Layout option under Table Tools and click on Merge Cells. To delete rows or columns, select the cells you want to delete, right-click and then click on Delete. Or go to Layout option under Table Tools and select Delete option and then delete rows or columns. You can change the look of the table by selecting Design Styles under the Design option of Table Tools. You can also apply cell color separately. Select the cell. Go to Shading option under Design and select the color you want to apply. Now let's do a short recap of the lesson. First, click in the placeholder to enter text. To enter or change bullets, go to Home tab, Bullets, and then Bullets and Numbering. To apply gradient effects or formatting to text, select the text, then go to Drawing Tools, Format, Text Fill, Gradient, and More Gradients. To apply underline effects, go to Home tab, then Font Settings, Underline Style, Underline Color, and click on OK. To add table to the slide, select the table icon in the slide. Or, go to Insert tab. Tables. Select the number of rows and columns. To merge cells, select the cells. Then go to Table Tools, Layout, and Merge Cells. To delete rows or columns, select the rows or columns. Right-click, and delete. Or, select the rows or columns. Go to Table Tools, Layout, and delete. To apply table styles, select the table. Go to Table Tools, Design, Table Styles, and select. To apply individual cell color, first select the cell, then select Table Tools, Design, Table Styles, Shading, and select the color. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel.